guys, I am back with another video. So today I have another what I eat in a day for you guys. These are my favorite to film. Love trying new recipes, and yeah, I love to watch these as well. So I am back in Canada for the holidays right now, and it's a few days before Christmas, so I want to eat super clean and healthy before I go a little crazy on the treats. So I'm going to show you guys some nice and healthy meal ideas. So it is now 11:10. I've only had coffee this morning, so I'm getting super hungry and gonna make some breakfast / lunch. I have been fasting, and the app I've been using to kind of track everything is called Zero. It's a really good app if you're interested in trying it. I'm really craving avocado toast. So I think I'm gonna have that with some scrambled eggs and maybe some fruit on the side. So this is the bread that I'm gonna use. It's the Villaggio brand. It's really good. I'll put this in the toaster while I make the eggs. I'm going to use this truffle olive oil in the pan and then add my eggs in. I like to cook my eggs slowly on a medium-high heat, and then I also love adding shredded Parmesan cheese. Just a little bit makes it so creamy and so good. So I'll put it on like a medium or a low heat and make sure you're stirring it constantly. Still a little soft, and then I take it off the pan right away so they don't overcook. This meal is so good. I love cutting the avocado like that because when you smash it on the toast, it smashes super evenly. And then all the like salt and pepper gets all mixed in. My dad also buys eggs from a local farm here in Ottawa, so the eggs are really good. It really makes a difference too when you know they're organic, fresh eggs. I find they're so much more yellow and they have more flavor. So definitely recommend trying to get the best quality eggs that you can. For a snack, I decided to have some cheese and crackers and some grapes. So this is a jalapeno Gouda. It was really good. And then I also had a bit of these hint of lime Tostitos. They are so good. Then I started prepping for dinner. So I cut up some veggies and then de-thawed the shrimp. So I added some coconut oil into the pan, added the broccoli, and then the rest of the veggies. Then I added some salt, pepper, and some garlic, and then cooked the veggies on a medium-high heat. So these are the sauces I'm going to use. They're from Kevin's Natural Foods. I'm obsessed with this Thai coconut sauce. It's amazing. I've been having it so much lately. So I'm going to add it with shrimp and some veggies. And then I also am gonna try this lime cilantro sauce and just add it to a separate pot of shrimp. But these are really great because they're all paleo, gluten-free, no added sugar. All the ingredients are really clean, so I really love this brand. I lightly sauteed the shrimp on each side. Now I'm gonna add it in to the veggies and also have some rice. the Thai coconut curry sauce. On the other round of shrimp, I'm going to use the Kevin's all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm going to flip them over. And now I'm going to add the cilantro lime sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to check out my Instagram, I'm gonna link it here. I am also gonna link my TikTok because I'm trying to post on there more, and I think I'm gonna do some short what I eat in a day videos on there as well. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.